Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a cute 5-petal flower keychain. This lovely piece is perfect for decorating your bag, keys, or as a sweet handmade gift for friends and family. If you enjoy simple and adorable crochet projects, this one is for you. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to watch until the end. Your support gives us more motivation to create new videos for you. For this project, prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Now, let's start crocheting together. For round 1, make a magic ring, then work 5 single crochets into the ring. Take your time and pull the ring tight for a neat flower center. Great start. Next, round 2, work 5 increases, placing 2 single crochets in each stitch. This helps the flower base grow evenly. Keep your stitches relaxed and consistent. For round 3, repeat chain 3, 5 double crochets together. Chain 3, slip stitch 5 times to form the petals. Don't worry if it feels tricky at first. You're doing amazing, and the petals will pop beautifully. Now for the leaf, chain 19, skip the first chain, then work single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet. Work smoothly and enjoy shaping the leaf. Next, the string. Chain 50 to create the keychain strap. Adjust the length if you want it longer or shorter. Flexibility makes it more personal. Congratulations! Your 5-petal flower keychain is complete. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting along with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more cute and easy crochet projects. Watching until the end truly helps motivate us to create new videos. See you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!